Hi everybody. Let's start today's class. It is chapter Quadrilaterals exercise 9.1 part 2. In part 2 I will start from question number 5. Question is, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Description is here given part. Now to prove ABCD is a square. Square property is all the sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. These two property we have to prove. Then it is a square we can say. Now first is in triangle, two dots I have given here. In triangle AOB, okay, and AOD. In these two triangle, OB is equal to OD, diagonals bisect has given. Okay, OB is equal to OD. Angle AOD is equal AOB. So, okay, angle AOB is equal AOD. And OA is common. Okay, then by side angle side congruency rules, triangle AOB and AOD are congruent. Okay, by side angle side. And then by simplicity, AD is equal to AB. Got it? These two sides are equal. Similarly, from these two triangle, we can prove that AB is equal to BC. You can write just similarly. So similarly we can prove this. So similarly AB is equal to BC. Therefore AD is equal to BC is equal to CD. All four sides are equal. So four sides are equal. Now next part, four angles are 90 degree. To prove that, you take triangle ABD and triangle ABC and BAD, these two triangle. Okay, ABC and BAD, these two triangle you take, and here AC is equal to BD, has given diagonals are equal. AB is BA because it is the common side, and BC is equal to AD. It is proved in the first proving. Okay, therefore by side. So okay, by side congruency property, these two triangle are congruent. Therefore by simplicity we can say angle A is equal angle B. Okay, and these two angles are interior angles. Okay, co-interior angles. So therefore, and they are equal, therefore this equal to this, it is 90 and it is 90. Okay, angle C equal and D equal to 90 degree. As these two are equal and they are 90 degree, therefore similarly we can prove angle B is equal to angle D is equal to angle C. So all angles are 90 degree. So ABCD is a square. Proved it. Next question is, diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A. AC bisect angle A. Show that it bisect angle C also. And ABCD is a rhombus, we have to prove. Okay, the property of rhombus is all sides are equal. Only this one property, if you prove, then it is a rhombus, you can say. Now first one is in triangle ABC and ADC. In these two triangle we have to take ABC and ADC. AB is equal to this one, it is a parallelogram has given. So AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Got it? And AC is the common side. Therefore by side property, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. By simplicity, ACB, now we can say ACB is equal ACD. That means AC bisect angle C also. Got it? The first proving. Now in bicepticity, again we can take AB is equal to AD. Already it is the parallelogram. This side is equal to this side and this side equal to this side. Now these two sides, it's okay, alternate opposite sides are equal. Now adjacent sides are equal, we have to prove. For that, by CPCT we can say this equal to this and this equal to this. So adjacent sides are also equal. Therefore all sides are equal. Got it? So it is a rhombus. Next, question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Has given it is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC and bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Okay, ABCD is a rhombus. Has given. Rhombus means all sides are equal. Now in proving, triangle ABC, it's okay, AC divides the two triangle ABC and ADC. In these two triangle, AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to DC, and AC is the common side. Okay, therefore these two triangle, by side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, angle BAC and DAC, these two angles are equal. So and from this side, angle BCA is equal to, or ACB is equal ACD. These two angles are equal by CPCT. Therefore AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. Got it? Similarly in triangle, now if BD is the diagonal in triangle ABD and CBD, in these two triangles, similarly we can prove that BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Okay. Now next question, question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as C. Show that ABCD is a square and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as D. Okay, square means all sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree. We have to prove these two property. Now here is a rectangle, there, that means opposite sides are equal. So okay, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. To prove ABCD is a square, now take triangle ABC and ADC. These two triangle you take, angle 1 is equal angle 2 and here angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, bisect angle A as well as angle C, that has given. So 3 equal to 4 and AC is the common side. Therefore by angle side angle property, so okay, angle side angle congruency property, congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. We have got, if these two triangle are congruent, then by CPCT AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. These corresponding sides are also equal. In rectangle, opposite sides were equal. Now we have proved corresponding sides are equal. This equal to this. Okay. And similarly, this equal to this. Therefore, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So, ABCD is a square. Already it was a rectangle. So, all angles are 90 degree. Now, we have got all sides are equal. So, it is a square. Now, next part. Diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Now, see here. Diagonal BD I have drawn. It is angle 5, 6 and 7, 8 we have drawn. In triangle ABD and triangle CBD, in these two triangle, AB is the common side, sorry, AB is equal to CD, that we have got from the sides of the square. Because of that, and AD is equal to CD. Got it? Then BD is equal to BD is the common side. Therefore, by side congruency rules, these two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, then we can write 5 is equal to 6 by simplicity. 5 equal to 6 and 7 equal to 8. Therefore, BD bisect angle CB and as well as angle D. Proved it? In next part, I will explain you next 3 part. I am working hard for you, and please you subscribe for me